Man, I covered it. Anyways, what's going on, guys? Hope everybody's having a great day. But today, we're here at the shop. We're going to end up taking the front bumper off, the rear bumper off, and we're going to be installing Mike Thompson's front and rear tubular bumper support. Keep in mind, this will be something for future reference here, but let's go ahead and get the bumper tore down and get them installed. Okay, guys, so the first thing you want to do is go ahead and grab a clip tool of some sort. And you're going to have these clips to take off the radiator cover. Then you're going to have two other bolts here. No, just two in here. So the reason I jacked up the car is because with the boost setup and the tubular K member, as you can see, I do not have a service tray, so I went ahead and zip tied my front, let's see if I can get under here, the front wind splitter to the K member itself. So depending on if you have a K member or not, if you have the service tray, is depending on if you're going to have to jack up the car or not. In most cases, you're going to have to jack up the car anyways to reach the bolts in the middle that meet the service tray and the wind tray. Once you go ahead and get that off, there will be 4 bolts here, 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 and here that you want to take off. Okay, so you got those bolts out. Now you want to go down here to the wheel wells. You want to go ahead and turn your wheels all the way to the right or left, depending on which way you start on. And there will be this bolt here, and if your fender liner wasn't destroyed like mine, and you have the service tray, there will be another one here. So you want to go ahead and take these out. These are 7 mils, and I believe this screw is another 7 mil. Then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, now that you got those screws out, you want to go ahead and go down here to your side marker. There's 2 ways you can take this off. You can either go ahead and pull back the fender liner, or take it out, or if you grab enough flathead screwdriver, you can go under here and prop one of these sides out and pull it out. So these are the striker lights, so I have to pull these out without breaking the tab that's on this side, cut the heat shrink off and pull the connector off before I can get this out without pulling the whole entire assembly out for the striker lights. As well for this side. Okay, so after you get the side markers out, here's the part where I can't really help you, but if you have the same situation I do, you can follow along a little bit maybe, but I'll try to give you a rough idea. So here's your front splitter, here's your wind tray. Most people make the mistake and waste their time taking off this. They don't have to take off every single bolt in here. So the easy way to do this is, here's your splitter, wind tray, and your service tray will be over. Interesting. Okay, besides the point, ignore that. Your service tray will be here, and there will be bolts here, as you tell I can't have. Here, here, and along this front row, you'll see every single bolt that comes in here. But all I have is this bolt here, this zip tie, and another bolt on that side. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off real quick. So all my centrifugal guys that wonder how they cut their wind tray, this is what mine looks like, precisely cut. Fucking mint. After you do that, oh shit, hang on. Anyway, sorry for that mess up. Anyways, all you want to do now is go ahead, get a good rear bumper, fucking yank that bitch. I should also mention, before you do that, you might want to go ahead and take out your fog light bulbs on both sides. Okay, so once you get your front bumper off, look down here, there will be this crash support will be above this. All you have to do is either take out the little plugs that go in it and rip it off, or it'll just come out like mine did. Next, what you want to do is it'll be 1 bolt, 2 bolt, 3 bolts, 4 bolts on each side. You want to go ahead and take those out. And if you have a intercooler set up like me, air to air, you're going to want to be careful of how these are, because it will droop a little bit, but it will not fall because of your piping. But just to be precautious, be aware. At this point, you probably realized, or paused the video right before I showed you the next step, but you probably realized after you take those bolts out, it's not easy just to come off. It's welded in there, so you either have to cut them out, torch them out. Oh shit, fuck that shit up. One guy used a forklift, if y'all watch that video. Pull it with a truck, I don't know. Something to get up it. You probably realize this shit's a pain in the ass. So I'll be back and probably, I don't know, we'll see if I'm frustrated or not. Now that you went ahead and stopped cussing and fighting at the crash bar, you can go ahead and get your tubular bar. You know, set it up and install it. So when you do go get to put this on, depending on how much you did beat the crash bar in, you will have to hammer or push or pull on each side of these frame bars to get these holes to line up. I would suggest putting one bolt on each side on the top and crisscrossing them to try to get them to suck in. That's what I did, and it seemed to work out pretty fine. They're all definitely snug. Okay, now that we got that going, we're gonna go ahead and start on the rear bumper. We had to start this off. We're gonna want to take each taillight out, and to do that, we're gonna have to take this plastic piece out, which has it depends, 1, 2, 3, and 4, but I'm missing these two because I took them out when I did the airlift install. Once you go ahead and get that off, you want to unplug this light from the trunk light. Damn. Don't do that. Push that bitch back. Anyways. So to take the taillights out, you want to unplug the taillight from the harness. You got one bolt. Pull back the carpet. You got a bolt here. And a bolt here. And you do the same thing for this side. Unplug here. Bolt. Carpet back, 2 bolts. Now that you got both taillights out, you can either start on taking the side markers out, same way as the front. Probably here, clip here. Then, or you can start here and start taking these screws out from here on each side. Next, you're gonna get under the car. Then you're gonna have this push pin and this push pin under here. Then, if you have the GT500 diffuser, I can't remember if the stock diffuser has it, but there is those 2 white clips that are up there. Yeah, you can see them. You can see them. Those two white clips. 2 push pins on the other side. Then these 2 push pins on this side. So once you go ahead and, hurt your fingy, you can just go ahead, just like the front bumper, get a grip. Yeah, but fuck, hang on. Yeah, but oh shit. Damn, sorry, I'm being a weenie. Oh. Just give it a good tug. We got the rear bumper off. There will be this foam piece. Same thing as the front. Rip that bitch off. Throw that motherfucker to the side. We disregard safety around here. There will be, oh shit, it's dark. You got 1 bolt, 2, 3. Same on the other side. Then you gotta deal with the fucking welds again. So, same struggle as the front. Okay, congrats, you got it off. Come to your motherfucking box. Damn, not going as expected, guys, I'm choking. Grab your motherfucking part. Again, same thing as the front, except this one will be a little bit easier. Line it up. And bolt it in. Okay, so here's the rear bumper support installed. Go up to the front here. Here's the front bumper Support. Well, I hope this install video somewhat helped you. I know I'm kind of stupid, but it's fine. But hope you guys enjoyed. Hope I helped somebody out there that needed it. I am no expert, but fuck it, we send it. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see y'all later.